Hi everyone, in this video I'll be going through my 7th week update in dividend growth investing. Just a heads up, there are a lot of updates. Now, let's cue the intro.
Come on.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Investing with Saraan. I recently took a 2-week break from creating basic videos as I had final assignments to complete and exam season during the semester. Fortunately, I'm now finished with it and back to making more videos for my subscribers and to YouTube overall. As I said in this series, every week I'll be quickly updating everyone on what occurred within my dividend growth portfolio. If you're new here, I have 2 goals for this portfolio right now. This includes reaching $25,000 worth of deposits in my TFSA and reaching $1,000 in monthly dividend income. YouTube has also added a new feature called subscribing to channels. I suggest everyone who's watching to click that button down below and help me on my way to 400 subs. Now, let's get straight into the video. For most of the week, the market was looking green. The market quickly rebounded from previous news of the new COVID variant in South Africa. With this green bump, I only bought a few stocks that were down during the week. But now, let's jump into the portfolio to see the deposits, the buys, the dividends received, the worst performing stocks, and the best performing stocks of this dividend growth portfolio this week. My current balance of my portfolio is around $20,500 with around $9,250 in my Wealthsimple Trade account and $11,250 in my Questrade account. I had a $50 deposit this week on Friday, December 10th, 2021. I bought 3 different stocks this week, and that was Toronto Dominion Bank, Vanguard S&P 500 Index ETF, and the Nasdaq 100 ETF. I bought a fractional share of TD for $7.27. I also bought a fractional share of the VFE ETF for $25. And I finally added to my brand new ETF. This ETF is XQQ.to. This Canadian hedged ETF gives me exposure to a top 100 growing companies in the Nasdaq index. I bought 1 fractional share of the stock at $25. Fortunately this week, we got a nice dividend to help recuperate the cash that was spent. This includes a $7.28 dividend payment from RioCan and an $8.34 dividend payment from BDY.to. This totals up to $15.62. Now we'll be looking at the top 3 worst performing and top 3 best performing stocks this week. The top 3 worst performing stocks are Hive Blockchain Technologies with an 8.25 market loss, DMG Blockchain Solutions with a 4.08% market loss, and BlackBerry Limited Technology with 2.44% market decrease. Now, we'll be looking at the 3 best performing stocks within my dividend growth portfolio. It's always nice to see. Surprisingly, my best performing stock this week is Drone Delivery Canada Corp with a 14.29% market gain. The reason why I say surprisingly is because this stock has been very stagnant from its all-time highs earlier in this year. Alibaba is also another stock that did really well for me this week, and that's really surprising for me because Alibaba has been one of my worst performing stocks, with almost a 50% decrease in my initial investment. But this week it had 11.7% market gain. And my favorite stock of all is Apple, that had a nice increase this week with 10.8% market gain. Now that you know what happened this week, please join me next week on my 7th update. Oh no, my 8th dividend update of this portfolio. You'll also get to see next week the dividends that I earned in the month of November. With that information, make sure you punch that subscribe button down below and drop a like. Remember to click that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos and you help people see my videos. It's been Investing with Saraan, and join me in my next video. Bye for now.